I have been seeing this mini robot vacuum cleaner and I said let me buy it and give it a try. So in this video I'll be doing the unboxing, setup and also a first test of this robot vacuum cleaner. I got this machine brand new and I got it for 23,000. So let's see what's inside the carton. So inside the carton, just two items, the machine and the tools. So here's the machine. So let's see what's inside. The charger and I think the broom and the mopper. Let's see. So right, this charger, type C charger, just USB cord only. And here are the sweepers, just two of them. And here is the mopper. Now let's take a look at the body of the machine. Here is a power button. If you press here, it begins to work. And here is the bin. All the waste enter right inside here. You can close it back. And how do we set up the machine? Okay, first of all, we'll bring the sweepers, two of them. One goes here and one goes here. We'll take it, you see, this way. We'll put it right inside here. It goes. Then the other one, take it to inside here. They're strong. Here are the tires, two tires that keep moving, and this one rotates as it's moving. This one rotates to decide its movement so that it can move around on the whole corner. This one here, I think I don't really know this one for now, so let's try and see. If you put it, if you on it right now, it won't work until you remove this, just the battery area. So this prevents it from working. If I remove this and press power button, it will begin to work. If I press right here, you can see it's working. You can see, right? So to turn it up again, put it off. So here's a mopper. How do we put this one? This one comes right here. But this very mopper here, let me see. It has no gum where we stick it. Maybe you can get something like a glue or a gum to rub it here and then fix it very well. So that while the machine is moving, it will also be sweeping and mopping alongside it. So after here, now let's go and try our first test and see how the machine works. So on this test here, I'll be pouring some Gary on the tiles. Let's see how it will clean up the Gary. Just some Gary here, just pour it here like to, for instance, a dirty environment. Let's see how it's gonna be able to sweep this. You can see the Gary. Here's a long view. Let's put on the machine. Come back now. Come back. Where are you going to? Come on, finish the work. finish the work here. Look at it. So I think this is enough practice. Now let's see what's inside. Let's see what the machine was able to pack. Let's see what it packed. Turn off. Let's see the work the machine did. So this is what the machine packed. Look. So this is what the machine was able to pack. Just this. So guys, you can see the machine. So now if I ask, what do you think about the machine? Thanks for watching and bye.